Leos, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for February 2021. We will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'll also use an oracle deck, possibly Celtic Lenormand as well, for messages from the universe. Like always, I will rely on tarot. Like I said, Leos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So take whatever resonates with your story. Towards the final days of January, stepping into February, we have Three of Swords. Certainly, this was a time which was marked by hectic activity. Possibly you didn't get what you desired, but then there were other gains. In fact, even in relationships, maybe there was some kind of an estrangement or separation was there, and this may have affected your health as well. I think you needed to have a grip on your emotions or your temperament or even your tongue. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that are going to be there in store for you, Leos. We have the Page of Swords. Certainly, you're being called upon to be firm with respect to your decisions or career matters, or whether with respect to higher education. Maybe many of you are also contemplating traveling out of town for higher education or with respect to job opportunities. But this could create disagreements within the family. I'm also picking up that financial issues could also create disagreements. Maybe your family members or family elders think that their pockets aren't too deep, so they cannot support your ambitions. Nonetheless, in this period or in this month, you're going to promote yourself. Influences for the month, we have the Two of Swords. Certainly, you're being called upon to deliberate with a father figure or maybe a family elder. Maybe decisions need to be taken immediately and you have to find solutions to the problems that arise. So it would be best to brainstorm with them to find solutions. Besides, I think we have lots of swords in this reading, so maybe you're called upon to use your intellect. Interestingly, in this month, Leos, I'm also picking up that you could be playing the mediatory role, even though you don't want to meddle, or maybe you could be accused of meddlesome behavior by some person, but then you are being called upon to play the adjudicator or play the mediator. Some of you may also be quite disturbed because you may find that there are people who cling to you for assistance, but they are never going to be thankful for your assistance. Maybe you think that you're being taken for granted. Also on the work front, I think, Leos, you should be more attentive, or you should focus a great deal more so that your boss doesn't say something unkind. First 10 days of February, we have the Emperor card. Certainly, you're going to deal with someone who is in a position of authority. Possibly this person is also very dogmatic. Interestingly, in case you are in a position of authority, I think you should be more flexible. You should be more cooperative with other people or with colleagues or juniors, because that is going to help you make gains or make advances that you desire. Another thing, I think you should avoid misunderstandings in this period. Also this month, like I said, it's a good time for learning. So in case you're desiring of enrolling for higher education, you should do, or you should contemplate upon it. Interestingly, I think there could be issues where there are people who would say that you have been transparent. Possibly in the past, you may have been accused of financial issues or or of being unethical. But right now, people seem to accept that you have told the truth or you have stated the facts. In case you are applying for a job, those Leos who are looking for a job or job hunting, then you may find that the offers may not suit you. Even if you go for an interview, it may not work out. Nonetheless, I think in case you're already working or as an employee, you will make good progress. In fact, appreciation could also come your way in case you have made a presentation before your superior. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th of February, we have the Ten of Swords. Certainly, it's going to be a period when you'll have a lot to deal with. It's going to be a very taxing period. Maybe it's going to exhaust you to no end. Besides, I think you have to deal with rivalry, or there'll be gossip or backstabbing. Another thing, I think you could be sandwiched between your superior and the management this month. Maybe the superior has another line of thinking while the management has other ideas, so you may not know how to act. Those who are already employed, I think, like I said, you have to deal with the changes and the circumstances or the backbiting. You have to have a flexible approach. In this period, you may find that members of the opposite sex are going to help you out, so you should take their assistance. In case you are looking for employment, you may feel at times that you are making no headway, or that you may feel miserable and worthless as well. Besides, I think there are family members who will point it out to you that you are not contributing enough towards the family purse. This could definitely rattle you a bit. Maybe you may also consider taking loans in this month. Another thing, Leos, I think in case you have applied for a job towards the end, there could be an offer as well, but then maybe you think that you're putting in more and you're going to get little rewards. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you may be a bit hassled because your family encounters a lot of problems. Maybe, sometimes you find yourself that in situations where your instincts are being ignored. You wish your family members were open and more receptive. Still, this is a cyclic phase, so you have to overcome this. For some of you, I'm also picking up that in case you are dealing with legal problems, you may think that your lawyer is only dragging the case and making it more of a situation where there's drain of wealth. So maybe you are contemplating switching the lawyer as well. The final days of February 21st to 28th Feb, for Leos, we have the King of Cups. Certainly you're taking on the role of an advisor, or maybe you're also being a healer or a medical personnel also. Possibly somebody around you could be unwell, so you need to take assistance from the medical personnel. In this period, I think you have to find solutions to your problems. Maybe you find your family members aren't open and receptive. Like I said in the past also, this seems to be a recurring theme. But you may find other people rallying around you. Paperwork is also going to increase in this period. Ideally, I think you should face the situation rather than curse fate for your problems. Sometimes for some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe you are denied work-related equipment. That is why that could also be a hindrance that you're facing. Maybe you have to find an alternative with respect to that as well. Basically, you should work your way or act slyly if you want to have your way. Even as a boss, I think it's best to break the ice rather than be too inflexible in your approach. Incidentally, in this period, you may also get praise for being quite knowledgeable. Maybe your staff will compare you with other heads and they find you to be somebody who's very well versed with the nitty-gritty of the workplace. Besides, you're very well mannered, or you take into account their needs, or you look into their needs, that is. In the last few days, I'm also picking up that maybe in case you're dealing with clients, you should be very firm, because maybe your clients could ask the mediator or the collaborator to make some allowances, or there could be pressure on you from your agent to make allowances for clients. So try not to get manipulated by them. Nonetheless, deals will be inked in this period. With respect to your love life, we have the card, the thought of you still does some things to me. Possibly you're being reminded of your person or your lover, or in case it's the other way around, or in case the person whom you're dealing with is always thinking about you. Maybe he's reminiscing about the past. Certainly there'll be suitors or there'll be admirers. I'm also picking up that there'll be moments when you'll be quite flirtatious, but ideally, Leos, you should not string anyone along in case you're disinterested or disinclined. Another thing, those who are already in a relationship, I think that there are times when your person could be insecure because you have other suitors, or attention is coming your way. So maybe he thinks that he isn't good looking, or he thinks that he doesn't match up to you. However, you will reassure him that looks don't matter, or even the age difference doesn't matter. There could be dreams about your love interest or your lover, or even your crush. I think many of you will continue to cyberstalk your crush in case you're dealing in or living in an unacknowledged relationship. Basically, you want to understand his thoughts and feelings, or you may even want to reach out to him, but then you may stop short, maybe because you think that it's always you who's taking the initiative. Incidentally, the middle of the month when the Valentine's Day falls, I think that's the best time if you want to reconnect with an on-again, off-again lover. On the other hand, those who are married, I think you should not be in an oppressive relationship. Sometimes you feel that you're being disregarded, or your opinions don't matter. Even your in-laws think that you are not doing enough, or that you're never good enough for them. Maybe you think that whatever you do for them is never good enough. That is why they could rattle you. Even you should be tolerant of your partner. Maybe you could irk him because you're inconsistent with your plans. Maybe you're always changing your decisions. So this means that he has to keep pace with those changes, and this could irk him a bit. Avoid arguments in the relationship. Even unfaithfulness could also be a factor this month with respect to your romantic life. From Lenormand, we have the card Key. Certainly, Leos, you're going to get insight in this month. Possibly it's a period of realization and epiphany. This insight could help you tackle the problems. You know, the lock can be unlocked only with the help of a key. So then only when you have solutions can you move forward. The wisdom that you're gaining or the insight could help you forward, or it could help you advance. Interestingly, another card we have here is Mountain. Certainly in this reading you have, or you may have noticed that there are challenges in the path, but either you can take the easy route or you can get a sense of accomplishment if you take the challenges head on. So certainly, Leo, your pride will never be dented if you take those challenges. Besides, I think, Leo, these challenges could also make you a better person. I hope, Leos, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.